Hello, my peeps. Today's Algebra Nation video will cover workbook page 59.
You've just watched how to find intercepts from a graph, from an equation, or given maybe points or a point of slope. Well, then we're going to go ahead and beat that test. I've got count of four, 1, 2, 3, 4 problems to go over, starting with number 1. A plane is currently at 200 feet and descending at 10 feet per minute. So it's starting at 200 feet and descending at 10 feet per minute. The path of the gliding plane can be given by the following equation, where y is height and x is the number of minutes. How many minutes will the plane land? So in how many minutes will the plane land? Well, the plane will land when what happens? When the height is 0. So when the height is 0, that means when y is 0. They're asking you for, basically, an x-intercept, because an x-intercept is where y is 0. So notice how they took a problem with words, I think you call them a word problem, and asked you for an intercept, but say where it lands. Where it lands is where the height, y, is 0. That's the trick to this question. So what are we going to do? We're going to plug in a 0 for y and solve for x. Get your variables to one side, your numbers to the other, and divide if needed. I'm going to go ahead and add 10x to both sides, get my variable on the left. That'll give me just 10x, the only term on the left-hand side. Negative 10x plus 10x simplifies, and you're left with 200. Next, divide both sides by 10, and x will equal 200 divided by 10. 200 divided by 10. I'm going to go over here, whoop, and just in case, we're allowed a calculator, so let's calculate. Clear it out. 200 divided by 10, and we get 20 for x. So it's going to take about 20 minutes, 20 minutes, and the answer is B. There's one example. You're given an equation and asked for an intercept.
Next up is a brain break. Check it out. Let me set up the scenario for you. It is 4th and a lot. 33 seconds to go in the game. Check it out. And your team is losing. What a catch. Here's another angle. That's what you got to do on the EOC, baby. Okay, back to work.
What is the coordinate of the y-intercept of the following graph? Round to the nearest integer. So in this case, they want the coordinate of the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept is where the graph hits the y-axis, which is right here. And it looks like it's between 2 and 4. So if it's between 2 and 4, the closest answer would be, of course, 3. That's the nice one. Remember, intercepts given a graph is beautiful. For an intercept, where it hits the y-axis is the y-intercept, and where it hits the x-axis is the x-intercept. So the y-coordinate would be 3.
We'll do that in another video. Bye.